Advanced AI Engineer Interview Practice Questions, Set 1. Question 1. Which of these is an unsupervised learning algorithm? A. K-means clustering. B. Linear regression. C. Decision tree. D. Logistic regression. The correct answer is A. K-means clustering. K-means is used for clustering in unsupervised learning tasks. Question 2. What is the primary goal of reinforcement learning? A. Maximize rewards. B. Minimize loss. C. Generalize to unseen data. D. Achieve accuracy. The correct answer is A. Maximize rewards. Reinforcement learning aims to maximize cumulative rewards through actions over time. Question 3. Which algorithm is commonly used for deep learning optimization? A. Gradient descent. B. Linear regression. C. Support vector machine. D. K-nearest neighbors. The correct answer is A. Gradient descent. Gradient descent is used to minimize loss functions in deep learning models. Question 4. What does the term overfitting refer to in machine learning? A. A model performs poorly on training data. B. A model performs well on both training and test data. C. A model performs well only on training data. D. A model generalizes well to new data. The correct answer is C. A model performs well only on training data. Overfitting occurs when a model is too complex for the data. Question 5. Which of the following is a typical use case for convolutional neural networks? A. Natural language processing. B. Image classification. C. Time series prediction. D. Anomaly detection. The correct answer is B. Image classification. CNNs excel at extracting spatial features from image data. Question 6. What is a common method to prevent overfitting in neural networks? A. Using too many layers. B. Early stopping. C. Gradient descent. D. Increasing training epochs. The correct answer is B. Early stopping. Early stopping halts training when the model's performance on validation data worsens. Question 7. What is vanishing gradient in deep learning? A. Gradients become very large. B. Gradients become very small. C. Gradients disappear entirely. D. Gradients remain constant. The correct answer is B. Gradients become very small. Vanishing gradients occur in deep networks, making learning slower or impossible. Question 8. What is the key advantage of using batch normalization? A. Speeds up training. B. Reduces overfitting. C. Improves model accuracy. D. Increases model complexity. The correct answer is A. Speeds up training. Batch normalization helps stabilize learning by normalizing inputs for each layer. Question 9. Which of the following is a major challenge in training deep learning models? A. High bias. B. Low variance. C. Large dataset requirement. D. Lack of hardware resources. The correct answer is C. Large dataset requirement. Deep learning models require massive datasets for effective training. Question 10. In the context of natural language processing, what is tokenization? A. Splitting text into sentences. B. Converting text to lowercase. C. Splitting text into words or subwords. D. Removing punctuation from text. The correct answer is C. Splitting text into words or subwords. Tokenization splits text into smaller units for easier processing. Question 11. What is a generative model in AI? A. A model that generates new data. B. A model that classifies data. C. A model that clusters data. D. A model that reduces dimensionality. The correct answer is A. A model that generates new data. Generative models create new samples from learned data distributions. Question 12. What does LSTM stand for? A. Long short-term memory. B. Linear system modeling. C. Logistic sampling techniques. D. Layered sampling training model. The correct answer is A. Long short-term memory. LSTM is a type of recurrent neural network used for sequence learning. Question 13. Which of these algorithms is used for dimensionality reduction? A. Principal component analysis. B. K-nearest neighbors. C. Random forest. D. Support vector machines. The correct answer is A. Principal component analysis. PCA reduces dimensionality by projecting data onto principal components. Question 14. What is the purpose of dropout in neural networks? A. Prevent overfitting. B. Improve accuracy. C. Reduce training time. D. Increase model complexity. The correct answer is A. Prevent overfitting. Dropout randomly disables neurons during training to reduce overfitting. Question 15. In AI, what is reinforcement learning mainly used for? A. Classification. B. Predicting future values. C. Sequence prediction. D. Training agents for decision-making tasks. The correct answer is D. Training agents for decision-making tasks. Reinforcement learning is used to train agents in environments for decision-making. Question 16. What is a key advantage of using attention mechanisms? A. Improves memory efficiency. B. Reduces model complexity. C. Focuses on important parts of the input sequence. D. Increases the number of layers. The correct answer is C. Focuses on important parts of the input sequence. Attention mechanisms help models focus on relevant parts of the data for better performance. Question 17. Which of the following is a key characteristic of generative adversarial networks? A. Single neural network. B. Two neural networks in opposition. C. Uses supervised learning. D. Requires labeled data. The correct answer is B. Two neural networks in opposition. GANs consist of a generator and a discriminator that compete against each other. Question 18. What is the purpose of using a kernel in SVM? A. Transform data into higher dimensions. B. Speed up computation. C. Increase complexity of the model. D. Reduce overfitting. The correct answer is A. Transform data into higher dimensions. SVM kernels map data to higher dimensions for better separability. Question 19. Which activation function is commonly used in the hidden layers of deep networks? A. ReLU. B. Sigmoid. C. 10H. D. Softmax. The correct answer is A. ReLU. ReLU is commonly used for hidden layers due to nonlinearity and faster training. Question 20. In AI, what is transfer learning? A. Using a pre-trained model for a similar task. B. Training a new model from scratch. C. Training on a smaller dataset. D. Using reinforcement learning. The correct answer is A. Using a pre-trained model for a similar task. Transfer learning applies knowledge from one task to improve performance in another.